Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl, Owen Company. Today we've got Alfonso with Real Truck here. He's going to be presenting Go Rhino today. Alfonso, you brought out a Jeep Gladiator decked out, is that right?
Yes, sir. You know, last year we started expanding our recovery gear. A lot of people have their off-road vehicles. You know, we wanted to have not just off-road, but offer also all the recovery gear that goes along with that. You know, but today we brought in one of the newest items that we're releasing part of our recovery gear, which is our El Gato Jack. It's a 25-pound jack, but it'll lift up to 4,400 pounds. Cool thing about this jack, it's got teeth on both sides, 9 of them. So whether it's a vehicle that's stuck in the ground or, you know, a tire that you're trying to lift, you can start this at any position. So that gives you a lot of coverage. This is a double cylinder jack. So no matter what motion you're doing on the handle, it's lifting whether you're going up or down. It's going up 1 inch every time. So that gives you a lot quicker lift than some of the competitive products out there. Also, with this jack, you don't have to worry about this handle swinging back and knocking you out. When it's in an up position and you're ready to bring it down, you just push the lever and it comes down very smooth. It's not going to come crashing down. The jack normally comes with the standard mount, so you can mount it into any of our bumpers or any of the bumpers out there, but we also do offer different accessories. So you have a different lift bar. That way, if you want to stick it into a receiver hitch or any other type of bumper that doesn't have the groove that this one will fit in, you can use that bar. We have our hooks. This right here mounts to the existing plate that comes with it, but this gives you the option of lifting a tire. Another cool thing, if you have a trailer, I mean, I've been on a 5th wheel trailer with a flat tire and had to change that. Mm-hmm. This right here gives you the option of hooking a trailer and lifting that thing up. Wow. So it's not just for the off-road guys. There's a lot of use for this jack. So if you've got a Jeep, it's got a really cool mount right up in the front, so it looks like a bazooka sitting on the side of the Jeep. But if you have it on a truck, you know, if you have a truck with a rack, we also make a bracket where you can mount it on that rack. It's out of the way, and you're only grabbing it whenever you need.
Well, thank you so much for coming in today, Alfonso.
No problem, thanks.
And showing us the Jeep Gladiator decked out with Real Truck Go Rhino products, and showing us the El Gato Jack. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And remember to tune in every week for more truck-related products like this. See y'all next week.